the shop tonight. We are working on this cage. So we're gonna build a new cage for the Highlifter here. The difficult part is gonna be, we wanna keep the Pro Box roof. So we're gonna try to build a cage to match that. We got the new tubing roller. We got Seth working. What do you think about this cage we're gonna build here?
Well, I don't know. I'm hoping I can get it in my garage now.
Yeah, this garage is about 6 foot tall.
So, plan is to lower it, get some L&W seat bases, drop the cage a little bit, and
keep the roof,
and go from there. See what we can do.
And then not be a big girl and maybe roll it every now and then. Jealous because I roll mine. So we got our fab guy Ryan. How's that cigar working out for you? So anyway, we'll probably do a little time lapse, taking the cage off and everything, maybe get a little back into it when we start bending some.
I think we should put it on here.
We're gonna put the old bar on the old razor
On iron.
keep it on high so it can go up and down. No, we probably ain't gonna do that. Working on an old Ranger 500. Got transmission problems. Working on that too. That wheel that Seth broke the other day. Broke it in like 10 different spots. Destroyed this thing. So we're gonna try to fix it. These are just eBay bungs. We're gonna bolt them on. That's what we're gonna start bending to from bung to bung. So just kidding. We're put the old cage back up down there to get some measurements so we know where to make the bends. It's a little sketchy.
We can do it at my house. I don't know if I want to be a part of this.
Yeah.
Michael's videoing right now.
Yeah. Oh, you're fun.
We're not doing nothing.
I'll edit that out.
Smirr.
I measured though.
Smirr.
You did? I measured back here, I didn't measure the fucking up and down. Bring it back. Fuck.
Yeah, that's easy.
Too many cigars.
You need too many cigars.
Too many stags.
All one of them.
I had 1.5 before I got here.
Why'd you only drink half?
16 ounce. Oh. It's kind of like 1.5.
Stag. Yeah.
You wanna?
From the cage, so they don't want to get too low into his head. He's getting lowering. Okay. getting lowering bases too, so it'll be a little bit lower. But the roof speakers come down about as far as the 2x4. So lower them a couple more inches, it should be about right. Right?
Yep. L&W, baby.
Because it doesn't work that great.
Oh. I don't know. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. But anyway, we did all this to get measurements. So when you bend a new tube, it ends up something like that.
Woo! Yeah, we had them in the fucking...
Put this on. This thing all welded up. See if it holds air. Who knows?
Got a gooseneck, fucking skid steer, and all that.
Jack this wheel up.
He's up there without. Not full of water, and then start there. Yeah, well, the tube is gonna start. Well, here, see what I'm gonna do. So this is right there. That's where I measure tube is.
So what are you doing with that thing?
Checking angles.
What do you call that thing?
An angle finder.
Angle checker.
An angle checker madoodle. Pittsburgh store.
What is it?
I guess it is an angle checker if you have an angle already. So you're not trying to find it.
Angle checker finder.
So you subtract that from 180?
Yeah.
And that's your front front bend.
134.6 minus 180.
Well, 135. Or wait, no, yeah.
Seth's got to put in a billion little bolts.
Yippee.
What'd you do, Seth?
I broke a wheel.
How'd you do that?
Fixing it.
There's a hole.
Stupid axle shafts. Don't leave broken axle
Axle shaft, break a wheel.
Oh, it's not squirting. Like, there's a pretty big hole in it.
dumbly.
At least you got the easy one.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
We'll see if she'll hold air this time.
Tedious one, but
See if she holds air. Fingers are crossed.
RC tire tools that aren't tires.
I think the
Still doing it.
still here.
1 hour.
you're gonna get a million hits just on the fucking crowbar fucking tires.
This tire tool works great.
Fan dangled. Where's the other tire tool?
That one was almost like a spoon, wasn't it?
Yeah, the other one was like this.
Like way better. All right, all 9 of us stop and look for the tire spoon.
Everybody's looking for spoons.
What's that?
Twisted Tea.
Trying to get sponsored?
Non-beer drinking mofo.
That's right. That's right.
Speaking of that,
Wait, need one?
I'll take a stag.
I'll take one for buying.
It's at 46 and a half, right?
I don't know. I wasn't over here for that.
46 and a half?
45.
45 and a half.
No, just straight up 45.
So that's how you find your angle you're bending at.
I always said just go through it anyway. Where you gonna go low and drop in low?
You want to go? We're going for 45. So you go a couple past it. Didn't drop.
You can try it, actually go.
You want to do like a full like roll bar all the way to the front of the windshield? Like a roll bar, so like you start like here and then the bar rolls and then top of the windshield.
Kind of like how static rolls from front to back.
I already rolled the top of his back bumper today.
You already did what?
I rolled the top of his back bumper.
No, Seth?
No, Seth is done. He spent a lot of money. Yes, sir.
Where's your air truck at?
Third drawer down with all the air tools.
This one.
Oh.
Thanks, guys.
A couple extra degrees for spring back.
Steel's gonna have a little spring back.
Yeah.
Moment of truth. Oh, we gotta get to the seat.
Yeah, because the weld is tall. Oh, and then like this right here.
Will it not go?
It's not. There's too much bead there to let it help
You didn't
set.
even grind that down.
You don't want to take the material away from it.
I
He
guess-
took it down where the tires would be sitting when not all that.
I mean, if it aired up, it won't push it past that.
No,
Well, it won't.
it won't get air because it's not
seat.
sealing. He's got ether.
No.
Ether on a bead lock doesn't sound like a good idea.
Crazy, Rick. Can you set it on the ground and push it past that?
Well,
Mine ain't take that bead back off and push from the inside.
Alright, so we drill a hole right here and then put a hook in there and then pull on it.
And just put plugs in it.
Perfect.
Problem solved.
You just gotta make sure you're drilling the right hole for the plug you got.
Right.
Take two. on the back speed? I would go a little more. It's either going to hold or not.
Just don't tie it into anything. Just make it fun. Go all the way out to the back of the drum. The only problem is like you do it and then they're like, no, you're still not gonna come in. Like, but it's still.
You can't have much in it. I'd air it up some more.
Like, well, I just spent a lot of money. Well, when they hit that back of that, it'll come on the back of the car. Which actually doesn't.
Sweet. All fixed. Got a couple fixes in there. Oh.
Speed leaking?
We got nothing done tonight. Absolutely nothing.
Worked all night. Got nothing done.
Fix the wheel.
Seths fixed the wheel. It's good to go, except for all them bubbles.
Can't worry about that.
That's the part that wasn't broken.
Bead locks.
Missing bolts in the bead lock.
Gotta have plugged. Make them tighter. So we'll come back, finish it up. We're pretty far. Got some bars bent and stuff. Anyway.